finally nanata diri sa Fort San Pedro, Cebu City. So mao nilang entrance dayon mosulod na ta diri guys. Og diri guys na diri ang mga picture nila Magellan. So yung fiancé ko is alam na niya kung anong mga picture to. So pakinggan natin siya.
Yeah, Lapu-Lapu, same.
Yeah.
King of Mactan. Duty. Deity. Yeah. He's a bad man. Magellan. Yeah. That's Lapu-Lapu. Patay Magellan. Yeah. One time.
So what you cannot do to stop to the course to distract the eyes of the persons, wear something on your body like the
I'm a la 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 loner. La 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 loner. Every time I try to fit in, it ends up in misery. Yeah. Socializing doesn't fit me.
So isulod ani nga.
What's inside here?
Oh, nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
Wow.
Don't go with the cool kids, it's all overrated. I just didn't read it. I'm a la 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 la.
So, mao diri niya ang ibabaw sa Fort San Pedro guys. Oh, grabe kadaghang mga tourists diri guys. Daghang mga Koreano.
In this world.
So that's our vlog for today guys here sa Fort San Pedro, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.